Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Not again. Heads up! Oh no. Oh no. Shut! Shut alright.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Madison County, northern Clark County, southern Champaign County until 11:30 a.m. At 10:54 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near State Route 41 at State Route 235, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Springfield, Urbana, Mechanicsburg. In addition, Northampton, Dialton, Zachary, Lawrenceville, Terre Haute, Tremont City, Westville, and Buck Creek State Park are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 70 between mile markers 61 and 79. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Is all